Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to talk about the missed call work timer. This timer is customizable based upon your preferences on your site. When I miss a call, and if it's at the timer, I have the option to put my agent in a timeout until which time I click I am done or that timer expires. I'll show you where that's customizable. If you look in the admin portal, you go to Admin System, System Settings, Voice Agent. Third from the top, missed call, call action. The default set for a timer of 30 seconds upon missed. You can configure this to be a minute, 45 seconds, whatever you really want to put in here, you can put that there. Mine was set to 1 minute, just like that, but default will be 30 seconds. You click OK, and then click Save, and that's how it's done.